Tired of using loud and unsightly window air conditioners to cool down your home in the summer? Even if you don't have the means to install a full ducted HVAC system in your home, you can still upgrade to a more powerful cooling system with a ductless air conditioner. These systems, which are often called mini-splits, include one or more wall-mounted units inside your home, which are powered by a relatively small outdoor compressor. Here we are going to review the top 5 best ductless air conditioner available right now. Our recommendation number 1. Senville Lito Series Mini-Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump. This highly rated model from Senville comes in a number of sizes, ranging from 9,000 BTUs all the way up to 24,000 BTUs, and it comes in 120 and 230 volt models. It has 4-in-1 functionality, working as an air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan, and it operates at just 34 decibels, making it an extremely quiet option for a bedroom or nursery. All of its settings can be controlled via the unit's included remote. The air conditioner comes with a 16-foot installation kit, including a communication cable and copper lines, but it's important to note the brand requires professional installation for the unit's 5-year warranty to be valid. Built and engineered to last. High-efficiency DC inverter compressor. Senville Intelligent Eye, designed to monitor movement for better efficiency. Control your air conditioner for anywhere. Works with Alexa. Enjoy complete climate control with cooling, heating and more. Use voice or app control to control your air conditioner from anywhere. Our recommendation number 2. Mr. Cool DIY 24K BTU 20-SEER Ductless Heat Pump. This ductless, high-efficiency mini-split system is specifically designed for DIY installation, and no special tools are required. It's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, and features an auto restart if there's a power outage, leakage detection, and sleep mode on the remote to automatically adjust temperature during the night. The unit heats and cools, with 24,000 BTUs of power and a SEER rating of 20. Operation is also relatively quiet. Overall, it's a great package, albeit a pricey one. The 3rd generation Mr. Cool DIY 24K mini splits are able to be easily installed by anyone, since no special tools, training, or equipment are required. And because it uses pre-charged quick connect lines, installation typically only takes a few hours. This unit has a capacity of up to 24K, which typically can cover up to 1,000 square feet. The 3rd gen Mr. Cool DIY units have a low refrigerant alert to help prevent costly repairs. It also has an auto start feature, so in the event of a power outage, when power is restored, your unit will come back on at the previous settings. Is it also equipped with air filter cleaning and replacement alerts, which will notify you to clean the filters for 240 runtime hours, and to replace them after 3,000 runtime hours. These units also have a large outdoor temperature operating range, from as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It also is equipped with auto, sleep and timer abilities. The redesigned Energy Star rated 3rd generation 24,000 BTU Mr. Cool DIY boasts a higher efficiency rating over previous models at 20 SEER. It is designed to efficiently heat and cool a single up to 1,000 square feet. The Smart HVAC app allows you to control your DIY anywhere with an internet connection on your Apple or Android smart device, and is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Control your Mr. Cool DIY 3rd gen mini split with the included wireless remote, IR Wi-Fi thermostat, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or an app from your Android or Apple device. The 3rd generation Mr. Cool DIY mini split has a feature that activates in cool, DIY, or auto mode. This keeps the fan running on low for roughly 10 minutes to dry condensation. New Smart HVAC app Wi-Fi control compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can control your DIY anywhere with your Apple or Android smart device and an internet connection. Easy do-it-yourself installation. The included 25-foot quick connect line means no special tools, training or equipment are needed. Gold fin condenser means it's corrosion resistant, perfect for coastal conditions. 7-year compressor, 5-year parts warranty. Low ambient cooling down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes the Mr. Cool DIY unit great for computer server rooms, greenhouses, or any other application that requires cooling year-round. Unit is Energy Star rated. Our recommendation number 3. Senville Center 36HF AQ Quad Zone Mini Split Air Conditioner. If you want the ability to adjust your air conditioning from your smartphone, this model from Senville includes built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing it to be operated remotely from an Android or iOS device. It's suitable for large space, thanks to its 4-zone setup and 36,000 BTU output, plus it also has heating, dehumidification, and fan settings. The unit has turbo and quiet modes for even more versatility, and it can automatically switch from cooling to heating based on the ambient temperature. The Senville air conditioner comes with a 16-foot installation kit. Our recommendation number 4. Cooper & Hunter 36,000 BTU Mini Split AC Air Heating System. If you're planning to install your ductless air conditioner in a large room, this model delivers 36,000 BTUs per hour, making it powerful enough to efficiently cool spaces over 1,000 square feet. It can be used for both heating and cooling, operating in ambient temperatures between 5 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and it comes with a comprehensive installation kit. Our recommendation number 5. Cooper & Hunter 9000 BTU Ceiling Cassette Ductless Mini Split. The large, rectangular indoor units that come with most ductless air conditioners can be a bit cumbersome on your wall, and if you prefer a more streamlined appearance, this unit uses a ceiling cassette instead. The 9000 BTU system can be used for both heating and cooling in spaces up to 450 square feet, and it comes with a 16-foot line set, as well as all necessary installation equipment. The system has a 24-hour timer, sleep mode, turbo function, and 12 indoor fan speeds, and it operates as low as 25 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms. Uses 208230V, ETL Intertech approved, AHRI certified. Works for heating with ambient temperature up to 13 degree. Whisper technology for quiet operation, great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms, and commercial applications. Includes high-grade installation kit with 16 feet pre-flared and insulated copper line set, communication wires, small accessories, and a drainage extension. You are well protected by a 7-year warranty on the compressor, a 5-year parts warranty, and a free technical support should you ever need assistance. Professional installation is required. Due to the size and the weight, system is shipped palletized with an arranged freight delivery service. An appointment for delivery is required. Please verify your contact details before ordering. Liftgate service is included. Orders to a residential address are delivered only to curbside.